guys, today will be the third Citroen GSx2 restoration video, and today we will be continuing with rebuilding the engine, so let's get going. Cylinder heads have been refurbished and the bores were re-honed. The pistons we're reusing because they're okay, and luckily we've got new piston rings which weren't going to be available, but they're new old stock, which is lucky.
We split the crankcases on the engine.
Yeah.
Found that the crankshaft was, the end float was perfectly okay within factory tolerances. All it needed was a rebuild with new seals, and we've lacquered the crankcase so it'll keep its shine.
We can start cracking on and getting everything on the engine now.
Yeah, exciting.
Yeah, it's very exciting. Let's get going. So that's a good majority of the parts on the engine now, starting from obviously the bare crankcase. And now just the carburettor has to be refurbished and some other smaller parts to go on, like actually some big parts as well, the exhaust manifolds, inlet manifolds and outlet manifolds. So we'll get on with that and stick you on another time lapse.
you too can make a trolley to hold your GS engine where you don't have to use an engine crane. Just get an old school dinner trolley, turn it into a welding trolley and then convert it so it can be taken apart with split pins to hold your GS engine and then reconvert it into your welding trolley.
I did a bit of work in the last episode, but credits to my dad really, who's done most of the work. I've just been filming, editing. Behold the finished engine. A few parts have gone on since I've stopped filming, as you can see. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, because next time we'll be starting it up with no exhaust system, which is going to be interesting.